This video is an overview of the first chapter for your life insurance exam, titled Completing the Application, Underwriting, and Delivering the Policy. Completing the application. Incomplete applications are usually returned. If the underwriter approves an incomplete application, coverage starts and the insurance company forfeits its ability to contest a claim. Statements on the application are called representations. They are not warranties. Warranties are absolute guarantees of truth. A warranty is an absolute guarantee of truth. Even though a conditional receipt may be issued, coverage does not start until the applicant meets all of the conditions and the application is approved. The producer must sign the application, but the producer is not a party to the contract. Underwriting. Insurable interest must exist at the time of the application, but not necessarily at the time of a claim. This means if you want to get an insurance policy on someone, you have to be face the possibility or have the risk of losing something if you lose that person. So it could be their income or their support, like if they're supporting you or something of that nature. That's an insurable interest. Insurable interest may be based on economics or family relationships. So if you wanted to insure the life of your child, that would be an example of a family relationship. HIPAA's privacy rule protects all individually identifiable health information. Calling this information protected health information. Protected health information includes health data, name, address, social security number, and birthday. An insurer must have written pre-authorization to pull the applicant's credit report. Stranger-originated life insurance and investor-originated life insurance are outlawed in many states. In stranger-originated life insurance and investor-originated life insurance, the investor potentially profits upon the death of the insured. Risk classification. Surcharges may be accomplished by using a rate charge for higher age, different sex, flat fee, or percentage adjustment to the manual rate. A surcharge is an example of a counteroffer. There is no coverage until the applicant accepts the policy at the higher rate and pays the increased premium. The underwriter determines the final rating classification, not the producer. A standard risk is one with an average lifespan. A rated policy is one issued to a substandard risk. Marital status is not an allowable underwriting factor in life insurance. Avocation is an allowable underwriting factor in life insurance. So, for example, if you have a hobby of going skydiving, that would be your hobby, and it is allowable. It is for, the underwriter to consider you a substandard risk or charge you a higher premium. Delivering the policy. Coverage can only start if the premium has been paid. Even when the premium has been paid, coverage will not start until the applicant has satisfied all of the conditions of the conditional receipt, if any. The earliest that coverage could start would be the day of the application, assuming the applicant paid the first premium, had no conditions to fulfill, and was found insurable. It is the responsibility of the producer to explain the policy provisions, riders, and exclusions to the policy owner and/or insured.